I'm Tommy Wells, and I'm the Director of the Department for Energy and the Environment for Washington, D.C. One of the greatest concerns for Washington, D.C. is that we're located on two rivers. The two rivers are tidal rivers and they're undammed. So when there's great storms like we've seen over the past few years, it pushes the rivers back up into the city and causes great flooding. It's one of our greatest vulnerabilities due to climate change in the city. We're certainly impacted by heat, we're impacted by the environmental changes, but in particular flooding, we're quite vulnerable to that in Washington, D.C. Well, our city is committed to really getting to carbon neutral as fast as possible. And our city just bought 35% of all the power used by all DC government buildings from a wind farm in Pennsylvania. It's the largest purchase of any major city in the country. Now we get 100% of our power for our city, for the government part of our city, through renewable energy credits and certainly through a whole carbon neutral package in that way. But at least 35% of our power comes directly from wind power in Pennsylvania. Well, I think what's extremely important for Washington is that the #1 cause of pollution and problems with our air has to do directly with the coal-fired plants of our sister jurisdictions around us. And the degree to which we can commit to renewable energy and really take offline the power plants that are fueled by fossil fuels will make a major impact on the nation's capital. We understand #2 is car emissions. We have to do something about that as well from vehicles. But #1, it's the plant emissions from burning fossil fuels. It's extremely important that we work together as cities because the more that we can create a purchasing power together to really incentivize renewable energy from wind power, solar power, geothermal, and all the other areas, including methane gas from anaerobic digesters or how we manage our waste. The degree to which we can do that together, we create markets to where it's affordable, and again, it moves technology as well and new investments. So as other major urban areas do this together, we can really move the needle on making it more affordable to go for renewable energy. And on behalf of our mayor, Muriel Bowser, we have signed on to the Compact of Mayors. We're proud to join leadership across our nation to address climate change for not just our nation, but for our planet.